Hello everyone, welcome to Website Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to introduce the Peaq network, which is a project built on Substrate, and I will also show you how to run the testnet. They already have the testnet. You can run the node. And so first of all, I checked, they have an announcement about one grant. And so if you are interested, they are going to support any of the projects that's going to build on the dApps with $50,000 up to $50,000. And so that's one opportunity I would like to share. I will post the link as well, so you can apply if you are interested. And that's actually how I find these Peaq projects. So their mission is to transform the Web 2 based Internet of Things into the Web 3 based economy of things. And the Peaq network itself is a smart contract platform built on Substrate, support Inc. So Inc is the smart contract in Polkadot, and the Ethereum virtual machine EVM, so smart contract, so it's a EVM compatible as well. So they do have the smart contract. Looks like that's all focused on the smart contract, but some cool thing they do is about using the machine NFT, DeFi, and the SSI, the self-sovereign identity for the machine economy. So economy of things. So basically, Web 2 is centralized, so they try to decentralize that. They have their token, the Peaq token, that can be used to, you can generate the machine NFT, and you can do the governance, transaction fees, or deploy some new machines. And so that's a token, and they have the details here. You can check. I will post a link. What they try to do is try to have the economy of things in the Web 3, and it's a decentralized world. And I'm going to show you what kind of use cases later on, and you will better understand what they try to do. And of course, I didn't see they have the parachain yet, but I think probably very soon they are going to launch the parachain, so we will see more details. So now let's take a look at their website. They do have a testnet, so you can check the Inc or the EVM Explorer. And for the Inc, they do have the account. You can create a new account here, and you need to get a testnet token. It's AGNG. So this testnet token, you can get it from their Discord. So basically just put this command and your address, so you are going to get the testnet token. Of course, every 1 minute you can send a request and get one token. And once you get the testnet token, then you can try their EVM bridge, and you can. This is actually the only thing I can find. You can send one of the testnet token to the MetaMask. So of course you need to first connect to the JS and MetaMask wallet, and it's going to do the EVM. You can send it back as well. Send it from the MetaMask, send it back to the Polkadot. And so basically this part is done. They can do the EVM thing. And now I'm going to show you how to run the node. They do have a Peaq testnet node. If you have a computer with 4 cores, some 8GB RAM, and some SSD, and the cool thing is you don't need to have the ports open, and I think that's the most difficult. Since this one is quite straightforward, you basically just need to download the code, and then you can run that. So here I'm going to show you to run that. Just run this command, the Peaq node chain Algorand. Algorand is their network name. So it's going to connect to the network, and then you just run the node. very simple. And this network, they have the token, they have a smart contract, and also EVM compatible. They also support the wallets, and you can deploy the smart contract. I'm not going to demo this one; it's a little bit more technical, but you can do that if you are interested. And so here is a few things you need to do, but I already demo most of the stuff. And they have the docs and GitHub, and you can join. And so now let's take a look at the use cases, like how you want to use this one, like this Peaq. Where did you want to use? So they do have 3 things: land, sea, and the sky. So they can cover almost everything in the universe. So land is just like e-car charging, for example, peer-to-peer electric car charging. You can use their network. Ride sharing, it's a Web3 Uber, so you can think about that's a Web3 Uber. Right now, like Uber, you can use that to share the ride, but now you use this decentralized one would be easier. And also they cover the sea, like you can do the boat renting, and you on the sky there will be the regional air taxi delivery, and so it's covering everything. So looks like it's quite promising, at least to me, like this decentralized. I think it's like how they bring the real world assets to the on-chain, right, with the NFT and this kind of a decentralized protocol. That's really the big thing, like how you can use the blockchain technology and help with those real world assets, connect them, how to serve Internet of Things, right? So that's how I look at this project. And so if you have any questions, please leave a comment. Let me know how did you think about these projects, and if any of you know when this is going to go for the Cardano of like parachain, please also leave a comment. I would be happy to know that as well. So this is another like quite interesting project in the Polkadot, and I hope we will see more updates in the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.